Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. And I haven't put a video out in probably about 4 or 5 weeks, but I was dealing with some DIY stuff that we had going on that we was trying to get finished before the winter set in, okay? And I still got some projects I still got to work on, okay? But I wanted to put out a video because I hadn't put one out in a while, okay? So this is kind of a new format I'm testing out here. Let me know what you think about this here, and then we'll go from there, okay? What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing our second back to basics video, okay? And I'm going to be showing you guys how to do step-by-step smoked or crispy smoked chicken wings on a Recteq pellet grill, okay? We're going to take you from the time that we cut the chicken up until the time that the chicken comes off of the grill, and we'll be doing it step by step, and I'll be explaining each step, okay? It shouldn't take that long. Leave a comment down in the bottom of the video to let me know what you think. Hit the like button if you like this, and consider subscribing to the channel, okay? Okay, so without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to get is a good antibacterial cutting board, okay? You can cut raw meat on wood. However, I wouldn't suggest it because, in my opinion, cutting raw meat on a wood cutting board will force some of the raw meat into the fibers of the board, and you may not be able to get it clean or sanitary, and it could cause some food safety issues. I'll put some links down in the description block for some antibacterial boards that I have, so you can get one if you don't have one yet. The next thing you're going to need is a good knife. Get a good sharp knife, a large butcher knife. We're going to be using the Dow Strong meat cleaver known as the Obliterator from the Gladiator series. Okay, I've been having this knife for a while, and it's just been a trophy up on my bar. So this is the first time we're using it. It's heavy, it's sharp, it's durable, and I'll put a link down in the description block if any of you guys are interested in getting one of these. The first step is to prepare your chicken wings. We want to separate the drumette from the flat and remove the tips. The easiest way to do this is to take your knife and run it between each one of the joints, separating the three pieces. You can throw away the chicken wing tips, or you can save them for later and you can use them to make a chicken stock. Step 2 is time to season your chicken wings. You can use whatever seasoning you wish. However, the simpler the season, the better. A combination of SPG works really well. In this case, we're using Ben's Heifer Dust from Recteq. It has a nice combination of salt and pepper, and it has a good balance of seasonings. For the first hour of the cook, set your smoker to 235 degrees. This will give the chicken an opportunity to get some smoke, as well as allow the skin to dry up a little. Once your smoker reaches 235 degrees, we're ready to put the wings on the cooker. Here we're using Recteq's cooking mesh. This is a 16 by 16 inch heavy duty Teflon coated fiberglass mesh. It has a non-stick surface, it's dishwasher safe, and it can be used in temperatures up to 550 degrees. These are fantastic accessories for your Recteq. Space your chicken out on the cooking mesh or on the grate, making sure they don't overlap or touch, allowing room for the smoke to encompass the entire chicken wing and for the heat to flow freely. Take your rub and re-season the chicken wings that seem to be missing rub or look a little bland. The last thing you want is unseasoned chicken after doing this cook. After 1 hour at 235 degrees, crank your temperature up to 325 degrees, and this will help your chicken skin to become crispy. And after 2 hours and 15 minutes in the smoker, here are your chicken wings. Smoky, crunchy, seasoned well, and ready to eat. All that's left to do now is have the taste test. All right, guys, so that's it. That was the cook, okay? So I got a few of those wings sitting right here. We're gonna go ahead and have our taste test. And then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the entire process, okay? So, man, this Ben's Heifer Dust from Recteq is a really good rub. It goes good on almost anything. It's got some nice salt content to it, some nice pepper, and it just is a great overall seasoning, okay, to put on ribs, chicken, or what have you, all right? So let's go ahead and have a taste. So the chicken came out nice and crispy. It's got some nice, the meat is tender on the inside. It's got some great flavor to it. And it has a nice touch of smoke to it as well, okay? So even though pellet smokers don't impart a whole lot of smoke flavor, the process or the part of the process where we smoke them at 235 degrees for the first hour allowed the smoke time to penetrate the chicken just a little bit in order to give us a slight touch of smoke, okay? And then when we cranked it up to 325, 350 degrees, it gave enough heat for the skin to get nice and crispy. Also, if you cook them kind of low and slow at the beginning, it kind of gives the skin an opportunity to dry out a little bit before the high heat hits it, which gives it an opportunity to crisp up, okay? Well, that's it. Hey, once again, guys, comment in the bottom of the video and let me know what you think about this new format, okay? And let me know what you think about this process, okay? Sometimes it's hard to get crispy chicken wings, and so back to basics. I just wanted to go ahead and give you the Bad Beast step-by-step version of how we get crispy chicken wings on the Recteq pellet grill, okay? Well, that's all we have time for today. Hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there or some smoked crispy chicken wings on your Recteq 700. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.